Hi guys, I am Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and so we're gonna watch a video. This video is called Rosie Misbehaves at McDonald's. So let's watch this video now. Enjoy this video.
Hey, Mom.
What is it, Rosie?
Can we go to McDonald's?
No, we cannot.
But Mom, I am really hungry, so let's go to McDonald's.
Rosie, I said we are not going to McDonald's.
But I want to go to McDonald's so bad.
We are not going to McDonald's, so that's final.
I want to go to McDonald's. 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 I want to go to McDonald's.
Doris, there's no food left in the fridge.
Did you hear that? There's no food left in the fridge, so this means we can go to McDonald's, just you and me. How does that sound?
Yay, 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 yay. Yay, McDonald's.
McDonald's is
What
closed.
the heck? It's closed.
Rosie, the sign says it's closed due to repairs.
You've got to be kidding me.
No, I'm not. Let's go to another place. How about we go to Burger King?
Oh, Burger
It's
King.
just like McDonald's.
But Mom,
That's what I love.
want to go McDonald's.
We can either go to Burger King, or we are going straight home.
I've got a better idea. How about we break into McDonald's and we can have a blast? Come on, let's break into McDonald's.
I don't think it's a good idea. That is against the law.
If you don't want to break into McDonald's, I'll break in myself.
Right now, Rosie's having a temper tantrum. Bruce Rocket. Oh no! There's fire all everywhere on McDonald's.
Rosie, you're no good for nothing. You just destroyed McDonald's. Let's go home now. Oh, my freaking God. Rosie, how dare you destroy McDonald's? You're lucky you're not in Gaol. That's it. You're grounded for 100 trillion years.
Now go upstairs to your room now, and sleep forever.
Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Okay. So this is the video is called Rosie Misbehaves at McDonald's. That is what Alex loves. Just a little bit, but Alex loves Arby's and Smokin' Jay's or better. Alex loves Arby's and Smokin' Jay's better. So, goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow or today. Probably tomorrow. Goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow, and have fun. Like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye, have fun.